Tende kodro mar LREB Ramogi juang migepe mag thieth e Kaontis 14 manie bwo riwruok mar LREB osieme wi mibadhi e weche motudre kod nyiewo gige thieth. Ma en jip mochiw gi ngire Kamarugu, ma en jalony weche mag thieth. Ka oloso Kisumu e romono mar 10 mar riwruok mar LREB, ngire rogo bende ojiwo jota sekta mar thieth mondo chomre tir gi tich ma ok obago romo mapiny maru. Rogo wacho ni tinga e lwet jotend kaunti mar bero sekta mar thieth kendo jiwo ngima oganda.
Good morning.
Two areas of dishonesty that I want to emphasize on. One is fiduciary dishonesty in terms of procurement and the use of resources. If you don't stop it, you will not be healthy. Two is professional dishonesty. A lot of the people that you employ are not at work. Absenteeism is extremely high. And part of the absenteeism is not because people are sick or unwell, but it is because people are attending seminars and conferences supported by the donors and opened by the governors. It is important that we are employed to work and we work diligently. We do not have an absolute shortage of manpower, but we have major problem in the management of human resources. This has to change if we are going to move forward.